Good morning, everyone. My name is Arpit Khare. Today, I am going to present you the solution for the given problem statement based on chain of response design pattern. Problem statement was such that we have a client which has an object of type email. The email contains the data member such as content of type string, which will call the categorizer method of the class DP, which the class DP as string array, which contains values such as design, pattern, subject, etc. The categorizer method of the class DP will check the contents of the email. If it contains at least three words from the given array, then it will categorize the mail as DP category or else forward the mail to college. Then college also contains its array which has a value subject, exam result, etc. The category method of the college class will also check the contents of the email. If it contains at least one word from the given array and the word assume, then it will categorize the mail as college or else will forward it to friends. Friends also have its own array which contains the values such as friends, party, threat, etc. The categorizer method of the class friends will also check the contents of the email. If it contains at least two words, then it will categorize the mail as friends, or else it will forward it to spam. Spam also has its array which contains the values such as buy, offer, lottery, etc. The categorizer method of the class spam will also check the contents of the mail. If it contains at least two words, then it will categorize the mail as spam or else it will forward it to manual. The categorizer method of manual will simply return the category of the mail as manual. It won't check the contents of the mail. Solution for the given problem statement are as following. We have a interface categorizer which has a method categorize of one argument of type email and will return a string. Next, we have a class email which has data members such as content, which will contain the content of the email of type, it is of type string. Next, we have a next C of type categorizer, which will contains or will point to the next categorizer. We have the data members such as sender and receiver, which will contain the name of sender and receiver, and date D, which will contain the date of the email. Here we have a default constructor which will simply set the values to null. Then we have a one argument constructor which accepts a string value. Inside this we are setting this dot content to C, and the next C will point to the reference of the object of class DP, because we have seen in the given problem statement email first points to DP. Next, we have a four argument constructor to set the more details such as the name of sender, receiver, and the date of the email. Then we have a method get content which will return a string. Inside this, we are returning the content of the current email. Then it has a toString method which will simply print the name of the sender, receiver, date of the email, and the contents of the email. Next, we have a categorize mail method inside the email class, whose type is void. Inside this, we are calling the categorize method of next C, and we are passing the current email object to it, which will return the category of the email in the object string object as, and here we are simply printing the category of the mail. Next, we have a class DP which extends the class email and implements the categorizer interface, which has its own array which contains the key values such as design, pattern, subject, etc. It has its default constructor in which we are setting this dot next C to new college, because we have seen in the given problem statement the DP points to college. So in this, the next C will contain the reference of the object of class college. Next, we have the categorize method of the class DP, which accepts an argument of type email, and its return type is string. In this, we are simply checking the contents of the email with the given values in the array. If it contains the given values of the array, then we will increment the counter. And after this, we will check if the counter is greater than or equal to 3, then we will set ret to dp, or else we will call the categorize method of next c, and we will pass the email object e, and this will return some string in ret, and after this we are returning the ret object. Next we have a class college, which also extends the class email and implements the interface categorizer, and it also has its own array which contains the key values such as subject, exam, result, etc. It has its own default constructor. Inside this, we are setting this dot next to new friends because college will points to friends. So the next C will contain the reference of the object of class friends. In this, the categorizer method of the college will accept the argument of type email and its return time is string. Here we like in the DP class, all in college class, we are also checking the contents of the email. If it contains the given value of the array, then we will increment the counter. Then after that, we will check the value of the count if it's greater than or equal to 1, and then it also contains the word RCOM, then we will set the ret to college, or else we will call the categorize method of the next C, and passing it the email object, which will return some category in ret object, and here we are returning the ret object. Next we have a class friends, which extends the email class and implements the interface categorizer. It also has its own array which has the key values such as party, trade, friends, etc. It has a default constructor. Inside this, we are setting this dot next to new spam, as friends points to spam. So next C will contain the reference of the object of class spam. The categorizer method of the class friend will accept an argument of type email, and will return a string. Inside this, we are checking the contents of the email with our values in the array, and if it contains the given value, then we will increment the counter. After that, we will check if the count is greater than or equal to 2, then we will set the ret to friends, or else we will call the categorize method of next C, which will accept an argument of type email E, and it will return the category of the email in the ret, and after this we are just simply returning the ret object. After this, we have a class spam, which also extends the class email and implements the interface categorizer, and also has its own array which contains the values such as buy, offer, lottery, etc. It has a default constructor. In this, we are setting this dot next equals to new manual, as spam points to manual. So the next C will contain the reference of the object of class manual. Then we have a method categorize inside the class spam, which accepts a argument of type email and returns a string. Inside this, we just checking the contents of the email. If it contains the value present in the array, then it will increment the counter. Then we will check if the counter is greater than count is greater than or equals to 2, then ret will contain spam, else it will call the categorize method of next C, next C that contains the reference of the object of class manual, and it will accept the email object and will return the category of the object in ret, and after this we will just returning the ret object. Next is the manual class, which extends the class email and implements the interface categorizer. Inside this, it does not contain its own array, as it it does not contain its own array because it does not check the contents of the email. Uh, Inside this, we have a default constructor in which we are setting this dot next to null because in the given problem statement, manual points to null and it is at the end of the chain. Uh, it has a method categorize which accepts the argument of type email and returns a string. Inside this, we are not checking the contents of the email or incrementing any counter. We are just setting the read to manual and returning the read. Here is the main program which contains an object even of type email, uh, which will point to a new email which accepts four arguments. The arguments are design pattern has two categories. One of them is object design pattern according to scope. Here the sender is Ram, the name of the sender is Ram, and the name of the receiver is Sham, and here we are passing the current system date. Now here we are simply printing the object even. Here we are calling the categorize method of the object even. After that, even will point to new email which accept four arguments. The arguments are RCM College Nagpur. Your theory exam is coming soon, and the sender is RCM and the receiver is Ron. And here we are passing the current system date. After that, we are simply printing even object and calling the categorize method of the object even. After that, even will point to new email which has four arguments are as following. There is a sale on Monday. There is an exclusive offer. Please buy. Here the sender is Amazon and the receiver is Rock, and we are passing the current system date. After this, we are simply printing the object even, and here we are calling even dot categorize mail. After that, even will point to new email which accepts four arguments are as follows. So here even is pointing to new email which has four arguments such they are, hey friends, let's do some group study and have a thread after study. Here the sender is Jack Sparrow and the receiver is Peter, and we are passing the current system date. And here we are simply printing the object even, and now we are calling even dot categorize mail. It will call the categorize mail of the object even. So let's see the output. The first is sender Ram, receiver Sham, and the date current date. Here the contents, as the content contains some of the keywords of the DP array such as design, pattern, object. So the category of the mail is DP. Now in the second mail, it contains the keywords such as RCOM and college. So the category of the mail is college. And in the third mail, it contains the keywords such as sell, offer, buy. So the category of the mail is spam. And in the fourth mail, it contains the keywords such as friends, study, and treat. So the category of the mail is friends.